Hello traders, I hope guys you're enjoying today. Today is the last trading day of the week. Blessing Friday, 17th of September 2021. And I just finished my trading day and looking forward a relaxing weekend. And let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit today. Most of the traders bank 100 plus pips today. We had such a nice, amazing volatility, especially at the New York session. Let me share with you guys how I did and the best trade of the day. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, we had from yesterday, look at the 4-hour chart. We had this breakout, and from yesterday we were short. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis video, link is given in the video description. So we had such a nice beautiful short trade from here, bank beautiful pips. Today we were expecting some correction and the continuation, which price you can see here nicely respected. As you can see here, this breakout at this level. So we were short from here. So we had this corrections, bearish flag pattern. We have taken the short and bank beautiful pips. And because I'm finished my early day, I close all of positions here. And let me share with you guys how I analyze market here as an intraday and help my traders and refine the entries to bank beautiful pips. So we have this beautiful, let me share with you. This is the morning analysis. As you can see here, price did not break. And then at the New York session, I did this analysis. And based on that, we had such a beautiful breakout, because technically, if you look at, we had this bearish flag pattern as mentioned in 4-hour, based on the 4-hour. So this is the analysis. As you can see from yesterday analysis, we were short, and this was the breakout from yesterday. Bank beautiful pips. Today we had correction. After that, we had such a beautiful, as soon as the price hit our final target at this level, that's what we explained to my trader. It's time to enjoying pipping. So we had such a beautiful short trade on EURUSD. Let me share with you guys a pound dollar. We had amazing trade too. If you look at the pound dollar, yesterday we were short, as you can see here, bank beautiful pips. And today we were expecting another. You can see here we had a impulsive, and this is the correction. So we had the short trade here, bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. Let me share with you the analysis. This is the analysis I did in the London morning session. We had this analysis. As I said to my trader, look for correction and breakout. So based on the 4-hour, that's what I explained to my trader. This is the looks like a continuation. We have a bearish flag pattern, and price might gonna break this level. So I explained to my trader, if you want to squeeze, you can also squeeze some counter trade here, but more likely we're looking here at this breakout. And after the breakout, we had this pullback, which is I mentioned and explained to my trader. It hit 200 EMA, banked some profit here when the price reached at this level, and then afterwards breakout. After the breakout, another pullback. So that's what big, because based on the 4-hour, we were bias was short, bank beautiful pips. And I also updated this analysis at the New York session. If you look at here, some of the traders were reluctant to take it, and I said to okay, look for this breakout then. So we have this beautiful breakout, as you can see here. As soon as the price hit to the major support level, as you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy pipping. So you had such a nice and beautiful short trade on pound dollar based on the 4-hour, and that's what we analyzed. All right, so dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, beautiful trade. We had today, if you look at here, yesterday we were long, bank beautiful profit. At the London session, morning session, we were short, bank beautiful profit. And at the New York session, we were long, you can see here. So we have taken yesterday long, this morning short, New York session long. So let me share with you guys how I analyze market, both short and long, and help my traders to squeeze beautiful pips. If you look at the London morning session analysis, this is the analysis I did and explained to my trader. Momentum is developed bearish, So look for pullback or otherwise breakout, and the target would be this level, which you can see here. Price nicely broken, hit this profit target at this level, and that's what, because if we were looking on 4-hour, so that's the level 1, 2, 3rd touch, and I said to my trader, it's time to close your trade and bank some profit. So we had a beautiful short trade this morning. And the New York session we have, once the price reverse, and let me share with you guys, have a very interesting analysis. We had it. I was expecting another pullback short at this level, and explain to my trader if the price gonna hit this level, looking for short. But price came back, and when I look at the momentum was developing bullish, you can see here. That's what I explained to my trader, guys, look for the breakout, because we can see here price not gonna continue. We have another symmetric triangle pattern in 4-hour. We can see here rejection at the support level. More likely is going to be breakout, and more safer trade is going to be breakout and retest, give us the confirmation. Then I'm looking at big trades, and that's what happened exactly. Let me share with you the analysis of that. This is the triangle pattern analysis, as you can see here. And as soon as the price broken this triangle pattern, you can see here after the breakout, price retest, give us the confirmation. The most important thing, we have changed our decision based on the momentum. As you can see, price nicely break and retest. As soon as the price hit to the 4-hour chart at the major resistance, previous high, daily previous high, that's as soon as the red candle appear, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see, guys, how I analyze market in 4-hour high, how we refine entries in intraday, and banking pips every single day. I hope, guys, you're enjoying it. So you can see we had such amazing trade, all of them. Like Aussie dollar, you can see that was a pretty straightforward short trade. Yesterday we were short, this was a pullback, and if I show you analysis, this is the analysis. If you look at it, yesterday we were short here. Today we were expecting another pullback, and especially when the price developed a double top at the resistance level, bingo. You can see here, as soon as the price hit to the previous low at this level, you can see exactly, explain to trader, bank some profit. The most important thing is not just a broadcasting analysis. The live audio commentary support, it does help traders a lot, because the commentary is just like a football commentary, right? We look at, okay, we're telling price develop a double top here, and price is about to break the recent low. It's time to enjoying, ride on dollar, Aussie dollar. So that's the most important thing. So keep up to date. That's why our analyst is constantly monitoring the trades and patterns and broadcasting that information, and the traders can see exactly the same chart as analyst is saying it, or they can have beautiful pips. You can see here, guys, nicely hit. We have a Kiwi dollar, beautiful trade. If you look at here, Kiwi dollar, such a nice beautiful short trade here. And yesterday we were short, and today we had this pullback. We have this pattern again. We also had a pullback. Both analyses basically perform very well. Let me share with you both of the analysis quickly. And if you look at, this is the analysis I did in the morning. Let me make it slightly bigger. We were looking here, pullback at this level. If you look at in 4-hour, this level, which you can see here, bearish engulfing candle is developed, and that's what we're looking at, pullback, bango, nice trade. And at the New York session, as soon as the price develop another pattern, we update the analysis frequently, just to help traders. If anybody missed this trade, no problem, they can join here. So you can see another bearish flag pattern. That's another sign of continuation. When the price was about to break, first we provide analysis, and then update as soon as the price is about to break. We broadcast that information through live audio commentary, and as soon as the price hit to the profit target, we also announce through the live audio commentary and explain to trader it's time to bank some profit. So now, guys, you have seen it, how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit. I hope, guys, you enjoy all this analysis. As I'm keep telling you, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And the most important thing is developing your trading skill in real time. Once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result in our virtual platform, I can help you to get funded from the platforms. If you are interested how I train people with the live market through live intraday analysis, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional team will show you how you can become a successful trader and get funded and enjoying pipping every single day through those live intraday analysis. Or even if you're an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it, pipping every day alongside with my other trader. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Until next time, stay blessed. All the best.